Let us solve practice set 14. For homework, we have already solved question number 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now let us solve question number 6. Let us read the question number 6. The LCM and HCF of two given numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 216, what is the other number? Let us understand first the sum. Here LCM is given 432, HCF is given 72, and we are given one number, that is 216, and we have to find the other number. As we know that the HCF, product of HCF into LCM is equal to product of given number. Let us substitute the value of LCM and HCF from the sum. So here in the place of LCM, I will substitute the value of LCF, that is 432. Multiplication sign will remain as it is, and HCF is 72, is equal to product of given number. Product means multiplication of two given numbers. From that one number we know and other number we have to find. So I will write here, we don't know the number, so I will write here as other number. After multiplying this, we get the answer as 31104, that is 31,104, is equal to, this will remain as it is, number. Now we have to bring the like terms together. So this 216 will change the side. When the side change, the sign also changes. This number will remain as it is. Here it is multiplication. So after changing the side, multiplication will turn into division. So here it will become division. This other number will remain as it is. Now you have to divide this number by 216. So for this we'll first write the table of 216, so it will be easier for us to divide the number. So first let us write the table of 200. Here I have written the table of 216 till 5. So first we'll find out the table till 5. If we require, we'll find further. Now using this table you have to divide this number. So let us divide the number. Your number is 31,104 divided by 216. So if you see this, 216 ones are 216. After subtracting this, we get the answer as 590. The 0 will come down. 950. If you see 950, there is no 950, so we will take number less than 950, that is 864. 4 is 864, so 864. After subtracting this, we will get the answer as 80. This 4 will come down. Sorry, here it is 6. 464. Again if you see 216 4 is 864. After subtracting this, the remainder is 0. So the answer is 114. So after dividing this, we got the answer as 114. So your other number is 114. Similarly, we have to solve question number 7. Let's read question number 7. The product of two two-digit numbers is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? So here product is given and HCF is given. We have to find the LCM. So as we know that product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of given number. Let's substitute the value. LCF is not given, so we'll write LCM as it is. HCF is given as 3, is equal to sign, under is equal to sign. Then product of given numbers. Now here the product is already given as 765, so we'll write here 765. Now you have to bring the like terms together. LCM will remain as it is. is equal to 765 remain as it is. Now you have to change this side of this 3. When the side will change, the sign will also change. Here is a multiplication, so after changing the side it will become division. Therefore after dividing this number, we'll get the answer 255. Therefore we can write the LCM is 255.